I was now Kwame Asare our UTV MP. Kwame Plus. Finally, Wabe Pacho, Efa and Samoa Obeka Dr. Dominic Ayini, our Attorney General. Concerning the NSS scandal and also Kwame Plus, every Dr. Dominic Ayini, obedi in a term recently after Ayini, every year press conference. Now, tasking on Kwame Plus says so allegations against him. Kwame Plus, instead of him proving or supporting his allegation with evidence, Obabe D. Dominic Dr. Ayini attempt. Asma kind finally about one time abepacho na chop perimuno wakeka nsem bom kra na ensem no kan no Kwame Plus eboa otwatro aha Penyah block media meso say any dem obe like video da ma o subscribe button na sabe click notification icon of latest update na ba kire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment meso so baso na she bi mo for so enya bi ahwe etu nim say beef bi e course between Dr. Dominic Ayini Attorney General and Kwame Plus honorable Gomwa member of parliament and now NSS scandal started 2024. Circling around the 81,000 ghost names. I just not give to Oware and the boss. Omudiun's command to Bian. SRT in. Eba, no, on the Dominic Dr. Ayini, Attorney General. Every press conference. I guess, oh, okay, assembly there. Yanni goes to idiot to the idiot to go who say, MPB crowd more, just say, Nihu Ebo Mubie, any adiade, Emma later, out of nowhere. Kwame Plus, also better on the Facebook and the Twitter. Ebe tire brofo ten be tire mu say corruption bi kura e koso aye say Dr. Dominic Ayini yi o ka ho bi e dey a whole lot. Emma recently Dr. Dominic Ayini e be a press conference. The press conference ni no and what task on Kwame Plus e say all allegations be against him if indeed he has any evidence of corruption against Dr. Dominic Ayini on formula 1 tire tire mu. Enye say we wouldn't talk on from there. Oh hu ni Kwame Plus in response with that ebe catch Dr. Dominic Ayini say oh yeah silly old fool, just a stupid man. Dim Kwasma or very resetting the brain. That assembly Kwame Plus, I can also recently brought video to say, I feel retracted on his words. Well, did it post now already attending? Well, did it in the pages? So, but answer and Kwame Plus, Abe Pacho. As I call on Facebook, while you brought for 10, now maybe you move, ever brought for me. Let me have the battery, know what I say. Or say, official statement from Honorable Kwame Asare into parenthesis A+, member of parliament for Gomwa Central Constituency. I wish to formally address the recent misunderstanding between myself and my respected senior colleague, Honorable Dr. Dominic Ayini. To begin with, it is important to clarify that this matter revolves around two separate social media posts. One, a Twitter or X post from a fake account impersonating me, which claimed that Dr. Dominic Ayini General is a thief and a corrupt. Two, my subsequent response on Facebook after the Attorney General appeared to reply on the content of that fake account during his press conference to address related, questions. Or Chiremu say, and someone you say, or Kafa Dr. Dominic Ayini Huninano, or Bedouins a misunderstanding anybody. Now I feel no, or better and small Chiremu, or better than can eclair a. As a Twitter, on say what official account to be a verified account. A+. Kwame Asare A+, Twitter. But that particular Twitter account in there. And there. It is that particular Twitter account na claim we say Dr. Dominic Ayini a thief or say corrupt no. And not even that account and there. Now even on that Twitter account anybody can buy a subscription. It is the first one who will be account verified and say backward there. Say no there. There na Facebook there no obebaso. What I say, on our Facebook page, I want 532,000 followers. First and foremost, I want to state, without any ambiguity, that I have never at any point accused the Attorney General of being corrupt or a thief. That claim is false and misleading. The statement currently in circulation originated from a fraudulent Twitter account that is impersonating me, although the account bear my name, photograph, and even a verification badge. It is not under my control. As the public is now aware, verification on X can be obtained through a paid subscription, making impersonation easier. The fake account can be accessed via the link. And we tell them, oh, and someone a social media from us a claim say, me come A+. My catch Dr. Dominic Ayini say, oh, you're comfort. Or say, you'll be away Katanshani Proye. Says me, me come A+. And you no credit meet me never being cancelled way. Obika Sebena Makaya, Sinu who or boy and Yamia. Now, even that Twitter and X account require now, I disseminated this particular information. A impersonation account, and a fake. Now, I said Twitter, it'll become easier. So, be impersonate you, be obey my register account with your name, photograph, NOBB, we are no, I got the blue badge and subscription badge. What talk? It's here. Sa account air cost no, and no crack, meme come plus there. Me, you know, baby, Anka said, Dominic Dr. Ayin or you're corrupt, and as or say thief, and no crack that. My official remarks regarding the passage of the sanitation levy remain available on my verified Facebook page. I had na assembly work. On say, Kwame Plus. After said Dominic Dr. Ayeni on 24th March 2025, over a press conference, no addressing the NSS scandal. No, I will tell you say, even Crown Obo say, Omukom say MP Bakubi Asia Tribia, Anka CEO of NSS, a Tracy Cameron Senka, assuming on my Kelly issue, you know, on Kellen A. What I say, oh yeah, that I knew, Anna Kwame A plus. Eba ni Facebook page, you know, ayo, or no Casane Diano, Oba ni Facebook page, so. On the 10th of April 2025 year, hold obechire mu. I say, oh, enche bia eni pepe kwese for container koye meeting bi. A meeting no buta nyina say, o mpese mo to sanitation levy mu. What I say, anyway, no be break down. That sanitation levy na egu for edeba in 2021 no. I say auto petrol bia till 10 pesos. Enya 10%, but 10 pesos. Obechire 2021 no, omunya, you know, 264 million Ghana cedis. 2022 omunya 470 million Ghana cedis. 2023 omunya 550 million Ghana cedis. 2024 omunya 646 million Ghana cedis. Dukan nyina about 4 years no. Omunya 1.93 billion Ghana cedis. What I say? And okwa asia, they don't call me plus. As I can say, approach very welcome. Obwa. Or children say, let us remember how this whole arrangement was orchestrated. The current Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ayeni, while in opposition, went to great length to manipulate the drafting of the law. Or children say, Kwame Plus actually say, I no one no official Facebook page, and what I say. No address NSS scandal, no the sanitation levy every woman, and what I say. Sanitation levy na a bass on the entire bass when you say, eh, Dominic Ayeni, I don't know opposition, no. There's an and same air cost or no none who or movie. Obama trans and make it that plan. Now only Dr. Dominic Ayeni or can who be. I answer a bit favor in Nipper being tea, and I got you too. What I say, what I say, if Dr. Ayeni attempt anything silly, I will expose him further. I am only setting the stage for a fight. It is a trap, and trust me, you will lose it. When you post a Kwame Plus MK on the 10th April 2025, we and it is a Obekase, sir, asem na a course was obese attending a thief or say a corrupt no, and you know, Kwame Plus a patch. Comment Papa say I'm going to answer part lesson. Honorable as a Robin, our UTV MP, oh, patch say. Oh, the young trust, you done in 70. What I say? Elochiramu said, my official remarks regarding the passage of the sanitation levy remain available on my verified Facebook page. They are clear, measured, and accessible to the general public. What I say? The Facebook page then they all say, a on one page in your one there, they really are the first year. Or a on one there and a clear. And open so track a bit said about track 10th April already. A 10th April corners one or QZ Attorney General. As Attorney General doing quite if he attempt anything silly, you expose him. Now that left in crown or needing bomb movie. It then a Kwame Plus and then also defend they say. I say no because Attorney General a crumb for a thief no there and no one. And no one. What I am to ask and reading apology no. I never use the words corrupt or thief. I encourage all Ghanaians to refer to my Facebook page for the accurate and unedited version of events. The impersonator account deliberately distorted my position, seemingly to create confusion and inflame tension. I just want to post in there for sure. The post when you see the word thief and corrupt, but a small kind of post in there, Busia. More or less, see what you use the word corrupt. Anything, because like I said, I will expose someone. If you attempt anything silly, I will expose him. And I have now sanitation levy, sika seven. And I can say, where's position? Where's position? You're corrupt. Why you're corrupt? Why confront? Come here, plus. Don't smack him. Come here, now you nipa. Come here, plus. Hey, now who you nipa? At this press conference, Honorable Dr. Dominic Ayeni invited the media to question me about an alleged scandal involving the National Service Secretariat. In response, I wish to state unequivocally that I have no knowledge of the matter and no connection to it whatsoever. I have never received any payment from the NSS, nor do I have any business, or directly or indirectly, with the secretariat. I have never contacted anyone to suppress or influence the matter in any way. Also, Dr. Dominic Ayene, the first press conference of Mekino, 24th March, Obeka said, Omuko Mukrano, Omu say, NSS Secretariat in A2 ma MPB Zenga on killing case. No. Ena, Enrich make another press conference, Obusa say, Yemusa come A plus say, NSS scandal na pie no. Na ono come plus, only Mubia na said, only Mubia na said, and no na hey no. Come plus, ever sign it to me, oh, or not come plus, there be. As what Dr. Dominic Ayine eka or task on me say, I'm off my books and my questions in there. Me the same tea. No minimum hore. The only time I came into contact with the issue was in November 2024 when a gentleman approached me claiming he was being falsely accused as a media personality and majority shareholder in a Ghanaian media company, as declared in my asset declaration. He sought my assistance to help clear his name through media engagement. If this support is being misinterpreted as an attempt to suppress the case, I respectfully disagree. I firmly believe that every accused person deserves to be heard. And the common plus air to say, oh, be on the last time class same with NSS scandal we crown. Obey mubi, November 2024. Abla, Obi or no, or three babies and the who song amount for air tag and NSS scandal, only hubi. Then in background, agent to come April, come April, be him say, about media memoir and central memoir, begin a question, Mikasa, Ghana 40, a question pa. Edinani Bakrino, or baby, I'll wait my father, I can't send. I'm not gonna phone you at no can be a man. Anything that Obama come A plus one. Everyone to go to now UTV. Echo different than the party. It is a don't tina. Attend January air cassette. Omuko to come MPB as on carry assembly there any and yan crack. Now, assembly to can be quiet a nipa property no. No come plus or didn't say background. Nidin any sabba assembly. Nidin what it. 18 ma obey defended and no. In the past, I have extended similar support to several government appointees who were prosecuted under the previous administration and were later assassinated and had their cases dropped by the current Attorney General. Everyone who has followed me closely knows that I will be there for you in times of despair. For example, I was one of the people who stood publicly with Honorable Kazato Forsen because I know him to be a man of integrity and believe in his innocence from the very beginning. I do not believe there is anything wrong with supporting another individual to tell their side of the story, regardless of their political affiliation. What I say, these are the facts. If Honorable Dr. Ayinde holds any information to the contrary, I respectfully urge him to make it public. Transparency and accountability must be our shared responsibility as public servants. That said, I understand Dr. Ayene's frustration given that an impersonation account using my name and image made such offensive remarks about him. Sadly, there is little I can do about the existence or content of that account, which I do not control, though I truly wish I could. Regarding my response on Facebook to the Attorney General's comment at the press conference, I admit that I uttered that particular post upon reflection. I encourage that the tone and choice of words I used were inappropriate as a member of parliament, a younger colleague, and a junior in the House. I sincerely apologize to Honorable Dr. Dominic Ayinde, the general public, the NDC party, and parliament, and fully retract those words. I believe I could have made my point in a more respectful and constructive manner. Answer. Honorable Dr. Dominic Ayinde, a press conference, and post be a pie Facebook, ana a plus ye, or Becca Dr. Dominic Ayinde say, oh, yes, stupid man, to think was or very certainly brain. And on the auditum say, a on one can come plus na, and a kind or make it that particular post. The auditum say, next more kind there, a frustrations, and heat banner bands when yabo tre anger issues, and man get can't answer, na is there or select. Or Dr. Dominic Ayinde. Now then, so okay, was actress and true what you say, listen, on your bema. Okay, was that did it? Was that in of Facebook pages? So, what I say, just send some pan. What do you know? Okay, so I already help Emma, the NDC party, or the Emma, the Coins 24, and the parliament as a whole, any kind of food, and I say, as an MP, namely so to use these particular words. I take full responsibility for my words and actions. As a gesture of remorse and respect, I have deleted the post in question, something I rarely do. Or just sɛbɛ bɛhu sɛ manu me ho ne ade nti no ɔsɛ me A+ me menya mmerɛ ɛnyɛ de bia na meyɛ kɛkɛ sɛ maka asɛm pa na me sa atwa sɛ even to the point sɛ medriti nsɛm deɛ ɛnyɛ common but ɛnsɛm kan no medileti sɛ babɛgye atum sɛ afei manu me ho ankasa. The fight against corruption remains a critical priority for His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama and the NDS government as a whole. It is imperative that we all engage in this effort with integrity, fairness, and mutual respect. Let us move forward in unity and sincerity with the national interest and the welfare of the Ghanaian people as our ultimate guide. Now, Kwame Plus, Pachiwa, Galamsey Ntokwa de Galamsey fight the pede wa ha. Na se nese weni ensem a Kwame Plus ebe kan. Na na police ko wa se dwetwa ntro me bebe. We wa kire se won kan ba bia da se attention no a corrupt or a thief. Meanwhile, we post you are making on the 10th April 2025 on official Facebook page here. Say Dr. Dominic Ayeneyi, Omakoye press conference wo ba bia kire se yeah, that's what it is. What be Omakoye press conference bia on person sanitation level kwan omutum attention no ani able because ni hu ni pa bi wo ma ebe benefit no o can so it means that or corrupt e mo cross account out odi nkwaso wo expose no come plus wo expose no eja fede baby ana okura yi attention right kasa we o can say 500,000 sika bi cry finance ase and some be count attention that was o can sika bi finance ase let me come plus and some can dey nsini mitrim na project na wo ma na dey e was nka otumi fa kwan papa so e pa achew cause all pa achew a se wonu ho pa na se all pa achew a e free akoma mu boni bia wo bia ye gyetum but all pa achew ka all say different na ho dey e je kwa me plus oni ne ho na onu ne ho ka presate e nhwanu mu achew pa ana kwa me plus abepa no kire wadwe ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah block me